So this Minibike frame has been sitting up here on a shelf I made a while ago, and I got kind of occupied by this project for an XR75, which I'll have a separate video on. But we need to get those wheels to fit on these front forks, so we need to widen it. I want those wheels to fit because they're solid wheels. This motor needs a rebuild. I mean, it's having some issues. So yeah, let's get into it. So I got that shaft put in, and I tried threading it, but it didn't work out too well. So for now, I'm just using pipe clamps around it and hold it just fine. I still need to find a bolt to hold this on, but I don't think I need to put this on yet, so I won't worry too much about it. Put the handlebars on, and then get the motor mounted. Once we get the chain and wheels all lined up, and that's basically just install throttle cable, brakes, and all that. I'm going to be stealing the cooling fan off this alternator. So we're going to take this to the shop, and we're going to take the plasma cutter on the outside of this line all the way around and just cut this down, and then grind it to the line with the angle grinder and just get a nice split. He get you?
Went to the bottom of my shoe.
Ooh, yeah, that happened. Happened to me before.
Wait, where are all my shoes? Dude, it burned all through my dad's shoe.
So it's got them forks spread out. Now I have a ton of space for putting this wheel in. I'm going to see if it fits, which my guess is it does, because I have quite a bit of space, and yeah, it fits right in there. So I need to take this in to the shop and weld it, because these, like, I can bend these with my hands super easily now because they're so weakened. So I need to put at least have some plate on top and bottom to weld on, and then gap weld something, or like have this, like fill this in with some piece of metal that can cut out. So I got the front forks welded, and then I made 2 fender mounts and then a light mount. So tried filling that in the best I could. It's not the best welding. I'm pretty sure it'll hold just fine. So the next step is to make a top plate that goes from here to here to here, just to hold that weight of the bike and keep those forks straight. The wheel does fit now, which is awesome. And then one more thing is I need to get a longer axle bolt that'll go all the way through so I can tighten it down.